Hello guys, so we have the Smart AI Airdrop update. This is the Smart AI and the Depin Airdrop. So we have a couple of updates surrounding it, like the points conversion for Airdrop rewards and all of that. So let me go to the official X and read out some of this information that we have that some people have been asking. So they made a clarification about their fair launch and Airdrop distribution. I think some people had a misconception. A lot of people do not understand what is fair launch. Fair launch is different from the airdrop. So fair launch is where you participate with your funds, while airdrop is free. So when they are doing fair launch, it's just like what some of us, like some people that started crypto early used to call what's the name of this thing? Where you buy pre-market, yeah, that's what I want to remember. Pre-market is still in existence, but fair launch is just an advanced way and a more transparent way to get into the market of a particular project. That's just my basic definition to fair launch. So you see, fair launch committed 1,000 so. So for you to participate in fair launch, you have coin, the Solana coin to participate. So and they said okay. Fair launch is live, 1,000 so committed, and this is just the beginning. So if you want to join the fair launch, is there. It's not compulsory. But please note that we have completed a smart contract audit with solid proof to ensure robust security and full transparency for our community. You can check here. That was just an announcement. Okay, so this is where they get to differentiate between the fair launch and the airdrop. They said, dear community, we have seen some confusion circulating around the fair launch and airdrop. So let's make it crystal clear. Fair launch is not equals to airdrop fee. The fair launch is designed for those who wish to commit their points and so to obtain a share of the 37.5% of the total Spark token supply. So they are distributing 37.5% of the token supply to fair launch participants. This is not a fee. It is not a pay-to-claim mechanic. It is a transparent and fair token distribution model that ensures no bots, no cheating, equal opportunity for all real users. You do not have to commit all your points or so. You can commit any amount you choose. In return, you will receive your Spark tokens at TGE. So on this fair launch site, you are committing the points that you mined, and you commit your Solana coin to this fair launch. So I'm gonna go into that. They said, what about the airdrop? We are still launching separate airdrop program to reward users who have actively supported and contributed to the SparkChain network. This will be funded from our marketing allocation, which is clearly outlined in the tokenomics. So let's summarize. What guarantees Spark at launch? What's guaranteed? Once guarantees Spark at launch, join the fair launch. If you want a guarantee Spark token at launch, then join the fair launch. Being contributing to the ecosystem, stay tuned for airdrops. Think we are charging for airdrop? That's false. So that's the summary. So if you want guarantee Spark at launch, join the fair launch. If you have been contributing to the ecosystem, you've been doing the Depin and all of that, then stay tuned for airdrops. So basically, what we are doing here is the fair launch. So, and they say fair launch is now live. The moment you have been waiting for, points equals to Spark has officially begun. So in this fair launch, you can convert your points to the Spark token. That's basically what this fair launch is. So this is when they made announcement of, are you ready for Spark? The countdown is ticking, all of that. So on the 20th, which was yesterday, we officially kicks off points Spark conversion. So for you to be eligible for airdrop rewards, come to this for token reward. Let me not use airdrop reward. This is their site for anyone that has been claiming this SparkAI. So come to this fair launch, and you are seeing pledge and commit. You see the total number of SOL that has been committed to this fair launch. 2,555 SOL coin has been committed to this fair launch. So now I'm seeing my points here for this approach. So I want to commit 2 million points. So if I want to commit 2 million points, that means I will have the equivalent amount in Solana coin to commit here. I don't know if you guys understand. So let's assume I want to commit 100,000 points. Let me see. That means I will have 1 SOL as gas. I will have 1 Solana coin to join this. So this is not airdrop. This is for me. This is a guarantee, another guarantee way to earn their airdrop at TGE. It is not compulsory, but if you can do it, you definitely get their token. So what you are doing here is converting your points to their Spark at TGE. So they said pledge points. Your pledge points to receive an estimated token allocation up to a cap of 0.15% of total supply. Your final allocation depends on your pledge points relative to the total points pledge. So what you will get from their airdrop as airdrop token, token reward at TGE will be determined by how much of your points you converted. And you can see any amount of points you are willing to convert, they will bring like almost the equivalent in SOL coin. So it's telling me insufficient balance. So let's assume I'm doing like 100. So minimum is telling me so. So my SOL balance 0.0. Why is this showing 0? I should have my Solana balance here. Okay. To do this, you have to first of all deposit SOL coin here. If you want to commit to this one, to deposit SOL in your account, you must first generate a deposit address. Once the address is created, you can proceed with the deposit immediately. So if I click on create address, they will give me the deposit address to. This is the deposit address where I had to deposit Solana coin to earn this to use as commitments for this fair launch. So the equivalent will be converted to the token reward at TGE. So if I want to click on this point, if I click on that endpoint, it's bringing social tax for me to earn points. So just know that when you are trying to commit your points, they will bring this equivalent in Solana coin to you, and you have to commit the two together. Just like providing liquidity, where you provide liquidity like so USDC, something like that. I don't know how to start explaining that. They said let's reach this part. If the fair launch succeed, only the points used for your allocation are burnt. The rest are refunded. And commit so if participation exceed expectation, your allocation will be diluted, and any SOL coin, any Solana or the SOL will be refunded. We always read this information. Claim your tokens. Go to your launch page once the fair launch succeeds to claim your purchase token. If this launch fails, all points and SOL will be refunded. So if you are using your points and Solana to commit for this fair launch, is another way to earn the token reward. It is not airdrop. In some way, if you are using your SOL to participate in this airdrop, in this fair launch, it's another way to earn points and to earn the airdrop at TGE. It is not airdrop. So this is it. Fair launch 37%. The total supply is 1 billion. Liquidity pool 12.5%. Private investor. There is taken an ecosystem. Tokens gradually released based on staking reward and participation. Then 100% tokens team marketing and partnership. 50% immediately released at 30th September. Then 50% token release 5 days at October 2025. So this is where the airdrop falls to, according to what they said from their X accounts, that airdrop will be given to out of their marketing. If you come back to this place, they say airdrop will be given as part of their marketing. So that's 5% is what they are giving as part of their marketing. Gets ready. Okay, I want to read that point again. So basically, if you can afford the fair launch, then go ahead and do it. If you can't, then just wait for their airdrop, because you can see that. So we are launching separate airdrop program to users, to reward users who have actively supported and contributed to SparkChain network. This will be funded from our marketing allocation. Read this part, which is clearly outlined in the tokenomics. So from their marketing, this is where airdrop is 5%. So basically, this is updates about the SparkChain AI airdrop. Stay tuned for more updates. If you can afford this fair launch using your soul and your points, then fine. I will still check back if I can use some soul to do this. It is optional, but if you think you want to earn some token reward at TGE, then participate in the fair launch. If you don't want any token reward at TGE, then wait for the airdrop, because I think the airdrop will be after TGE from what I'm reading or what I'm presuming. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let's not waste so many times on this explanation. I just have to clear the air on this SparkChain here. So stay tuned for more subsequent updates. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.